Hey, what's up, you guys? Big Wes here, back with a brand new video. I picked up another Arizona lottery scratcher from the gas station. We got a $20 ticket here. We're looking for these matching numbers, or you can find a money bag for 100 bucks. They also have a 20X. If you get that symbol, you get 20 times the prize. Let's do this. Let's see if we can win here. Winning numbers: 23, 16, 42, 45, 7, 9, 13. All right, let's get a little bit closer to the action here. Here we go. Get some matching numbers or symbols, or 21, 45. Oh, we got a winner here, you guys. Very nice. 45, 45. All right, we got a 6. We got a 34. We got 19. 28. 30. 38, 25, 35, 43, one off on that one. 17, 26, 15, 10. Come on, let's get some more matches here. 5, 47, 29, 36, 49, 48, 18, 46, 14, and 44. All right, looks like we got a single match here, you guys. What are we going to win? Got the 45, 45. Let's see what we got here. Can it be good? And it is 20 bucks. All right. We live to fight another day, you guys. We got a $20 winner, $20 ticket. Not bad. Get to play another one. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Later.